Hi, my name is Swayam and I am here to help you in improving your English. Today we will learn about how to make comparisons in English, right? So there are a few situations where we use comparisons. Let's look at the number one situation where the adjective has just got one syllable, right? In that case, add er at the end of that word. For example, nice, nice, N-I-C-E has got just one syllable. So it becomes nicer, N-I-C-E-R. Big, big becomes bigger, B-I-G-G-E-R. Big also has got just one syllable. But what happens in those adjectives which have got two syllables and end with Y? What happens? How do we make comparisons in those situations? Let's look at a couple of examples. Happy, this word has got two syllables, right? And it ends with Y. So how do we make a comparison? Simply, we add IER at the end of happy and we replace the Y part. So happy becomes happier, HAPPIER. Okay? Lucky, lucky is another word. It has got two syllables and it ends with Y. So we remove Y and add IER, luckier. So let's repeat what we've understood in the past couple of minutes. In adjectives which have got just one syllable, we add ER. In adjectives which have got two syllables and end with Y, we add IER. Clear? Now let's move to the third situation. In the third situation where English adjectives have got two syllables and more, you can't change their endings. Instead, we should use plus adjective. Let's see how it happens. Let's look at the word handsome. Okay, so you can't say handsome or handsomest. Instead, we say more handsome. Like say, Rahul is more handsome than Rajiv, or Sachin is more handsome than Sanjay, right? Let's look at the word beautiful. You can't say beautifuler or beautifulest. Huh? Madhuri is more beautiful than Aishwarya, or Aishwarya is more beautiful than Madhuri. So this is how we make comparisons in adjectives which have got two syllables but they don't end with Y, right? In the third, in the fourth situation, we compare two things. When we compare two things, then we can use than. For example, she's younger than me, right? She is younger than me. Okay, this exercise is more difficult than the last one. So here we are using the word than to describe a comparison. Now let's look another situation. When you want to say something is similar, use as, right? As. For example, she's as tall as her brother-in-law. In Hindi we will say कि वो अपने भाई जितनी लंबी है. She's as tall as her brother. Let's look at another example. It's as nice today as it was yesterday, which means that it was nice yesterday and it's similarly nice today. So in this sentence we have used the word as. So let's now understand once more what we've learned so far. We use ER when the adjective has got one syllable. We use IER when the adjective has got two syllables but ends with Y. In some adjectives which don't end with Y and which have got two syllables, like handsome and beautiful, we use the word more, like more beautiful or more handsome. In other situations where none of these three conditions exist, we use the word as. He's as handsome as his brother-in-law, or she's as beautiful as her sister. The weather is as beautiful as it was yesterday. In the next example, in the next situation rather, when you want to say one thing is less than another, you can either use less than or not as. For example, this program is less interesting than I thought, or this program is not as interesting as I had imagined. Now you understand the usage of less, right? So we've used than, we've used less, we've used more. Remember that some adjectives are irregular and change from form when you make comparisons. Let's look at an example. Good becomes better, right? Worse becomes worst, or far becomes further, right? So these are the various ways by which we make comparisons in English language. Sometimes we use qualifying expressions like, for example, one example of a qualifying expression is when we compare two things. For example, you can use a lot, much, a little, slightly, and far before more, less than. These are qualifying expressions, right? Uh, she's a lot more intelligent than I am. This is a qualifying expression. This car is much faster than the other one. They are much less wealthy than they used to be. So you are making a comparison that 2 years ago or 3 years ago or 4 years ago they were very rich, now they are less rich. She's slightly less interested in football than I am, and so on, right? So these are the various means by which we compare. Uh, saying how two things are similar, there's another example of comparing two things. For example, she's almost as good as you are. He's not quite as confident as Susie. I'm not nearly as intelligent as her. So, to wrap up, uh, these are the various ways by which we compare uh, words which have got just adjectives which have got just one syllable. We use er, which have got two syllables and end with y. We use ier. Some words which have got two syllables but they don't end with y. We use more handsome or more beautiful. Sometimes we use than while comparing two words. Sometimes we use as or not as while comparing two words, and so on. I hope you found this lesson interesting. If you did, please let me know by dropping a comment on my YouTube video. Thank you. Bye bye.